Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time every day to stop back at my channel. All right, today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul, and I want to thank you guys so much for all your patience waiting for me to get to these hauls. I have literally a tote box filled with items from the Dollar Tree because I have not been doing any Dollar Tree hauls. I have been buying items, but I have not been doing any Dollar Tree hauls. Okay guys, so first off, I just want to show you this quick little sign that I made out of a Dollar Tree Easter tag. This is so cute. I will link down below who I got the idea from, but I will be doing a DIY with it. I changed mine just a tad bit than she did. I used a different type of sign. She used a square sign. I used a tag, and it just says Mom's Kitchen. I made it look like a little kid wrote it, but I really do love it. I'm gonna put it on the side so you can see it because my area is so small. But yeah, okay guys, so let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. I do have quite a bit of things here. I have 2 bags, and these are brand new items, brand new. So the first thing I'm going to show you is one of these little pictures here. This is so stinking cute. This is really, really cute. I mean, you could actually jazz it up even more, you know, if you have stickles and things. Excuse the cats. The kittens are playing and they think it's like playtime right now. The dogs are outside, the kittens are playing. But yeah, I got this from my niece. So, yep, I'll be seeing her Saturday. Find these signs. These are the ones with the beads at the top. It does have a metal. I believe that's metal. It looks like metal. Metal. This one says happily ever after. I will be changing this shadow box into making it something different. It's not really connected very well up here, so I will be fixing that. Then I picked up this one also. It says keep that same energy. So I will, of course, be changing this, and these beads are really, really cute. Either you could keep the beads on them, or you could actually take them off and save them for other projects, which I might actually do that. I'm not quite sure yet. So these are brand new at my store. Then I found this shadow box also, which I will be making this for Halloween, and I will be redoing it in some sort of way. But yeah, they had I'll show you a picture of the ones that they had. They only had these. They didn't have any other shapes, just these, but the background in the back was a little different. And then we do have some picture frames. Excuse the glare, but we do have some picture frames, and these are galvanized. They're not metal, they're plastic, but it looks like galvanized steel, if you can see that. So it's a 5x7. So I did get this wall hanging, or you can put it up. I needed a new picture frame for my Mia Bella, who passed away last year. I needed a new frame because the cats broke my frame. I mean, why wouldn't they? That's what they do in this house. I found another canvas photo or a picture. This is Forever Blessed with Every Breath. So I really do like it with the black checker. I thought it was really cute. You could actually change this somehow and leave this. I don't know what I'll be doing with this yet, but I will be thinking of something to do with that. And then new at my store also are these cool little collapsible storage bins. They are the buffalo checker. Last year it was the red and black. This year it is the black and white. So I did get 2 of them. They are 9x9s. So they are pretty large. I do like them, so I got those. Okay, so I found these metallic beads. They are stars. So I found these. They are in like the brass color, the silver, and the gold. They do have the holes so you can slip a wire through, or thread through them. So I'm sorry, I'm trying to adjust the light. It's very dark in here again today. So I got those. You can paint them or do whatever you want with them. I just like how patriotic they were for next year. And then I got some black ribbon, and then I got some burlap with the polka dots, the black polka dots. So I got those. And then here I got I needed some craft sticks. These are the popsicle sticks. There's 100 in there for $1. So I did pick up those, and you know, They are really thin, so they're very easy to cut even with just scissors. So that's a good craft option for you. So the first things I want to show you, I did get these Sharpies. I got an orange one and a black one, of course, because orange and black for the Halloween and fall, so that I could do some thin lines and make some doodles on some of my projects. So I got those. I love these. I do have a whole entire collection of them. If I get to them, I will show you a picture of them. If I do not get to them, I'll show you next time. All right, the Goo Gone, this is why I'm doing my haul, because I need this to remove some sticky residue off of some wood things that I got for a project. So the Goo Gone, I like it. I use it not that often, but I do use it, and I only get the little one because I don't need a big giant tub, so the Dollar Tree is perfect for me. Then I did get this jar here. It's a plastic one. I have these flat back pearls I need to put in there because I broke the container and they're flying everywhere and I'm losing them. So I got that. And some more ribbon. I apologize. I thought I had all the ribbon. So this is all the ribbon I got. I did get the buffalo check. This is so pretty. I got like 4 of these. And this is a 9-foot roll. This one is also 9 foot, and this is 4.5. So these are going to come in handy. I am making a fall hat. It is going to be a gift for somebody. So, and it's a buffalo check one, so I'm very excited about that. And then here are some new Washis. I don't know if everybody's collecting Washis or not, but I still am collecting the Dollar Tree ones only if they pique my interest. 2 of them they're the kitty cat ones. So this one looks like Little Mermaid kitty cats, and then this one is a little kitty cat. So these 2 are going to my niece with the little gift that I got her, because she just got 2 new kitty cats and she's very excited about them. They are adorable. If I get her permission, I will put a picture in here of her little guys. So, and then here I have this. I just totally forgot that I had it, and I got a yellow one. So I got black, orange, and yellow. All right, and I did pick up some more of their Crafter Square paintbrushes. I actually got it for this little tiny one here. Let me show you. This little one is going to be for my reborning, because I need a tiny one for the eyebrows. When I paint on the eyebrows, look how small. Can you see that? Look how small that is. That's why I needed it. So for that one, so I got those. Oh, that just rolled completely under there. Of course it did. All right, and then I got this Blessed cup. I did get a Day of the Dead one, but I've been using it, so I love it. And I got this one. I believe these are, okay, I'm sorry. They are not dishwasher safe. You have to wash them by hand, and do not put them in a microwave. So, yeah. Okay, I believe they are either 16 ounces or 20. One of those 2. Can't go wrong with one of them, right? I'm sorry, but we have a guest and she has to go. That's Hallie. You guys know that I've told you guys about my keto journey. I am not strict keto any longer, but when I find these keto cookbooks at the Dollar Tree, I pick them up, because even if I am not keto, I still do make a ton of keto meals. I still stay away from sugar. I stay away from as many carbs as I can. I have been a little bit carby lately with macaroni and cheese and stuff, but you know, this stuff I really enjoy. So, you know, a lot of the recipes are the same. This is the creamy broccoli and cheddar bowl. Now, I make a creamy broccoli soup. It is so good. I'll have to do that for you guys one day. So, winter is coming, so they had their boot socks back. These are so soft. They are incredibly soft. Excuse my hands, guys. I've been painting, so I look terrible because I'm doing a bunch of DIYs. So yeah, these are incredibly soft. So I did get 1 pair of those. Okay, and I am taking care of 2 kittens right now, Lulu and Leah, and they are like, I want to say they're about 4 weeks old right now. They're being completely bottle fed, but I have these little pieces of Sherpa that I got from Joann's for them, so I put them on my lap with a heating pad and while I'm feeding them. So the Sherpas I like to throw in this mesh bag, and then I can wash it, and 3 of these bags come in there into this, so that's really nice. Cat toys I can put in here and wash all my cat toys in my washer. That is really nice. This rolled gauze I did get for a DIY that I will be showing you. It's a Halloween DIY. I can't wait to show you this. It is so much fun. You're going to really love that DIY. All right, so I got that. I did get this little accessory kit. It is a 3-piece set. It's a little cheetah accessory kit. I will be making a little gnome out of this, and I'm sure you can't wait for that because I love making my gnomes and I make all different kinds. So this one is not going to be a Christmas one. It's going to be a Halloween one. So I can't wait to show you that. I'm filming that also. And then I did pick up these for Halloween. This is Witch Go Riding. It says, when witches go riding, black cats are seen, you know it's Halloween. So I got the pot holders, and then I got just one towel. And then Maybelline in the makeup section, and they had, I know they dropped something. They had this. Now this is so cool. This is why I got this. Actually, it's because of this one. See how like not extremely red that is? It's like, I don't know, it's an orangey red mostly. But I did get it really for this top coat. The top coat is so cool because it looks like speckled. It looks like, you know when people throw paint on stuff? That's what it looks like. So it comes up just like that. If you could see that, it comes up just like that. I'll take a picture so you can see closer. But that is really, really cool. It's called Street Art. It is so cool. This one is, it says pink splatter. I think that's why they sold it at Dollar Tree, because this is not pink. It's black and white. And then this one is called an Old Flame, and it's supposed to be red, but it's extremely thin. It's really, really thin. I could see it like moving around in there. Okay, so got those. And then I've been seeing the Real Techniques items around, so I did pick these up. This says, use with your favorite cushion compact powder. It says replace every 1 to 3 months. Handle for added control. Use dry cushion compact. So this is for like a dry compact. So, you know, for a powder. So that's pretty cool. So I will be trying that out. So, and of course, no haul will be complete without something for the kittens. So I already got these before. They are the bacon and eggs. I picked up 3 additional packs because I bought everything that they had there. One of these is going to Stefano. He will be here next week because he has to fix my electric in my house. So he will be here next week. So he will be getting one of these to take to Marco and his little gang there. But yes, I have Tiggs, and Tiggs loves his egg. He carries it around with him everywhere. I will show you a picture of him. He will not leave that egg alone. That is his. And he won't let anybody else have it either. All right, so for a dish drying mat, I love this. It's the black and white checker. And then this one is the 10.5 by 11. This is a huge collapsible storage container. This I actually will be using in with my canned goods because look how big this is. So this will be just for tomatoes, and I'll know just tomatoes on this. But this is huge. So, and it has the wood grain look on it, the shiplap look. So, yep, so I got that. And I want to tell you guys something about this. Now, I don't know if you guys all get this. I use this for just my dogs and the cats' bedding and their toys and things like that. It is really good. Now, I can't always find this one, so I've been stocking up on them. So when I see them, I buy 2 at a time. So, and then I kept a big giant downy thing, shaky thing. So, and I just pour them in, and I think it holds 5 of these. So, and that downy cost me at BJ's Wholesalers, it cost me almost $18 for that big bottle, and so it holds 5 of these, so $5 compared to $18. You see what I'm saying? So, but yeah, and this is 10.5 ounces, and it smells really, really good. All right, guys, I am so sorry that I am all over. Oh, I did also get these for Stefano. This is for his earbuds because he's always losing them. He can't find them. And it's crush proof also, which I really like. So if he throws them somewhere, he'll be able, you know, he won't be able to crush them. So yeah, you know, that's really pretty cool. And it has a little thing here. So like I have ones that are on just a wire, so I could actually use this also. You just throw it in your bag, you don't have to worry about it, you know, put it in your car, you don't have to worry about it. But yep, that is my haul. I want to show you something so pretty. I went to the thrift store with the Goodwill, and I haven't gone to Goodwill in like a long time. So I have a fascination with China. I love old China. I collect plates for Thanksgiving. I never have the same plates out. Everybody gets a mix match plate. I just love it. It looks so pretty on the table. Anyway, I found this teacup for $1. So it's pink. I've never seen this color pink before, so I had to get it. It is just gorgeous. It is so pretty. I just love it. And it is by made in England, bone china. It does have a number on it, but I really can't see what that number is, and the number is written in gold. But it's by Colleague H, and it is made in England. So this is so pretty. I was thinking maybe here it would have it. Nope, it just says bone china and made in England. So is that pretty? So yeah, this will be really pretty on my table for Thanksgiving, even if it's just me. You know, I love it. I thought here was a chip, but it's not. It's like the cup is not perfectly round. It has like a little indent on it, but it's so pretty. It reminds me of my grandma. I don't know why, but my grandmother always had this thing for teacups. So I think I caught her bug, and then I embellished on that, and I started collecting different types of china. So I have no matching china. It's all different, and I love it that way. So it's kind of like a gypsy dinner table. I love it. All right, guys, so that is it. That is my Dollar Tree haul with a little bonus in there of my thrift store buy. I'll show you my plates. I have a picture of them. I'll show you them. They're beautiful. All right, guys, thank you so much for all your wonderful words, all your positive energy you've been sending me. Yes, I will be getting back to schedule. I am feeling a lot better, but I am having several complications. As you see, my lighting here is atrocious. I do apologize for that, but half of my house does not have electricity. So that's why Stefano's coming up this weekend. He's coming up this Friday. But that's why. I do not have internet, so it does take me a long time to upload a video. It's horrible lighting situation trying to film and record things in this type of lighting. Even with all, I took my my curtains off, so it's just my windows exposed. I still don't have a lot of light in here. Right now I have an extremely sick little baby. She is going to the emergency vet at 5 p.m. tonight. She'll be able to be seen. So she stopped eating, and I am going to jump right on it. I want to make sure that she is okay. I don't want to lose another kitten. I just lost Leo just not even a month ago, and now I have Lulu, and I don't want to lose her. She's just the sweetest little thing. I'll show you a picture of her. Her and her sister Leah and Lulu, and yeah, they're barely 4 weeks old, so they're being bottle fed and everything. They're just the sweetest little babies. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and listening to me ramble. I appreciate it. Please stay tuned for more videos coming up. I do, like I said, I have a tote filled with Dollar Tree stuff, new stuff, amazing items. I have Dollar Tree DIYs coming up, fall ones, Halloween ones. I have a brand new gnome video coming up, and you guys loved that gnome I did last year. Well, not even last year. I think it was almost 3 years ago I did that gnome, and that is like my biggest video ever. So I have a gnome that will be a cheetah. I bet you can't wait to see that one. All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking around and staying with me. Please comment down below what you've been finding at your local Dollar Trees. Let me know if you go to the thrift store and what you look for at a thrift store. So I want to thank you guys so much again. Like I always say, somehow, some way, I will have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.